When you are building a large language model, then it is relatively easy to check out whether it is performing as per your use case or not. But as the model advances, then it learns on its own, then new alternatives become available. And when it is in the wild, then it really becomes hard to evaluate a model. That is where these evaluation frameworks like Evals come handy. These large language models are very complex. So they need a proper framework that will help the authorities and concerned agencies, especially the researchers, to assess the safety, accuracy, reliability, or usability issue of the model. Currently, as you can already see, that there is a mad rush among big tech companies to release LLMs on almost a weekly basis. And these big companies or even small companies are claiming that their models are the best. There are lots and lots of startups which are claiming to be the next groundbreaker when it comes to LLMs. So how do you evaluate them? How do you develop a comprehensive evaluation framework that would help the stakeholders to release these models more responsibly? That is where Evals is shining. I think this is one of the best framework for evaluation that language models is because it focuses on authenticity, speed, grammar, and readability, unbiasedness, backtracking. Backtracking means knowing the source of model's inference, and then it also deals with safety and responsibility, and it also understands the context fairly easily. It also gives preference to intelligence quotient and also the emotional quotient. It is versatile and it is not that costly. So after evaluating this evals, I believe that this is one of the best model, and one of the things which I really like about this that it is quite easy to set up. All you need to do is to follow these steps. You need to download it with from the Git by using these three commands. When it's there, then you just fetch the data for the selected eval again by simple git ls command, and you are just pulling it. Afterward, just use pip install e to make the model which you have just cloned directly from the GitHub. So that's it. Now, optionally, you can also install the formatters and then you simply run them by pip installing. I will also post a link to this evals repo in the video's description. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comment section. Thank you very much.